Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to find out when is your expire date in your Windows. So in this video I am going to share it within 2 steps to find out when your Windows is going to expire. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, first of all, I'm going to click here search icon and type here WinVer, and then you will find here WinVer. Simply click this and it will appear a new screen which is about Windows, and it will give you about your Windows, expire date, build number, etc, etc. And then the second step, how you can see your Windows 10 expire date. Simple, just go again on search icon and type here CMD, and then you will find here command prompt. Simple right click over there and click on run as administrator, and then a administrator command prompt will appear here. Here you have to type some command. Type here slmgr space /expr and then hit enter, and it will appear automatically when your Windows is going to expire, etc, etc. So this is how you can easily find out when your Windows going to be expire. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.